Let's get the first alert meteorologist, Jessica Birch. And well, we had one round of rain and another one's coming, right?
Right around the corner. Ryan, Liz, let's talk about it because last night we were dealing with heavy downpours all throughout the Bay Area. Heavy winds, too. The wind advisory expired this morning, but we saw wind gusts anywhere up to around 50 miles per hour locally in the Bay. Now, to add to that, that caused a lot of devastation in the overnight hours. We dealt with power outages, downed trees. We even just saw earlier Justin reporting about the road down in Santa Cruz area. Now, take a look at this. What we've seen so far is already impressive. About an inch just near San Jose and San Francisco. But when you look at the next 7 days and what we're fully anticipating, we're expected to see about 10 inches just down in the Santa Cruz Mountains. And we're not done with these atmospheric rivers just yet. Earlier I mentioned it, but we have another one coming in next Tuesday and Wednesday. It won't be as strong as last night's system, but it still is an atmospheric river and it's still way offshore in the Pacific. And things can change. It really could ramp up or it could die down. We'll keep you updated here in the First Alert Weather Center. But take a look at this. Our First Alert Doppler this afternoon is starting to show lighter conditions, especially down in the South Bay. Still some lingering showers, light conditions down there, but all the way down just close to Santa Cruz alone. I mean, the San Lorenzo River is still under a flash flood advisory for the next couple hours. And to add to that, the Pescadero Creek, well, we're under a flood warning until further notice. Now, all throughout those areas, we've been seeing heavy downpour this morning, but look at Futurecast. Here we go into the afternoon hours. It really starts breaking apart. These cloudy skies are going to stick around. We could see a splash of showers here or there all the way into the 8 o'clock hour tonight, mostly down in the South Bay. But let's take a look at tomorrow. Tomorrow morning, it starts off light. We see some heavier showers to the north, close to noon. Models are still continuing to show that track off into the east. And here we go into Sunday. A very similar setup, but a lot more severe, especially in the morning hours for Sunday. So pretty much any day of this weekend, if you have an outdoor plan, keep an indoor plan as your plan B just in case you need it, especially with Sunday's forecast looking like this. Even into the evening hours that night, we still have those lingering showers. So it tapers off a little bit as we head into Monday, and it really ramps up for Tuesday's forecast when it comes to our atmospheric river scale. That means that as we look at our 7-day forecast, you see some rain icons, but what does that mean for us? How is it going to impact us? Well, this weekend, like I said, any outdoor plans, keep a plan B, but heading into next week, you're going to want to be careful on the roads. We're still expecting heavy downpours, especially in the South Bay, starting Monday and Tuesday. It looks like it's going to start tapering off on Wednesday. So long story short, it will come to an end. We just have one more of these atmospheric rivers to deal with, and then sunshine right around the corner as we head into next Wednesday. Also, one thing I will mention, it's daylight savings time this weekend. Make sure you set that clock. I know I'm going to forget, so this is our reminder to all of us.